We are Henry and Stephanie Stone. We own Sha Roe Bistro. Henry is the chef and I am front of house.
We feel our unique selling points is the homely atmosphere guests can enjoy here, plus the lovely village setting.
We offer great food in a very unique, relaxing and intimate atmosphere. Obviously, I have been both working in the industry for many years. Henry was the head chef in Marfield House in Gohi, and that's where I met Henry. But as a chef, Henry always wanted to open his own restaurant, so we had been on the lookout for a long time, and eventually we found this house and opened the restaurant together. So the house was built in 1690. It's the last house that was built by Huntington Castle. Over the years, it was an inn with the pub next door. So we found the house in 2005. We saw the house for sale actually in the window of an estate agent in Gohi. So we came to have a look at it together, and just the layout of the house, the building, the room worked very well for us. We did very little actually in this room, and we opened in October 2005.
We stand out in the market in Carlow because of our consistency, because we actually live in the building and it's our home, and we feel that we want people to welcome people into our home. We stand out in the restaurant market in Ireland as we were awarded a Bib Gourmand for the Michelin Guide in 2008, which we've held to the present day. We have 7 full-time and part-time staff, which are all local, and many of them have been with us for many years. We also try to champion local suppliers as much as possible. We use Elizabeth Bradley's cheese, and we also have a local supplier of asparagus.
We love holding local events, family lunches, birthdays, and weddings. And weddings work very well in Clonegal. People can get married in Huntington Castle, then come down here for the rest of the evening.
We impact the food culture in Carlow as we try to introduce some Asian and Japanese dishes, along with the classics on our menu. We feel the food culture in Carlow has improved an awful lot over the last 16 years since we've been here. People are a lot more willing to try different things.